Hi, I'm Terry Tomlinson. I'm a makeup artist and educator in Dallas, Texas. I own Makeup Training Academy, and I created the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. And I'm about to come to you, Germany, to teach color theory and flesh tone. When I created the wheel, I created it for my students because I wanted them to have a visual guide to what skin color looks like. And so I wanted to be able to show them what a yellow undertone skin or an olive undertone skin looks like. And I also wanted them to have some kind of go-by for correction because not everybody sees color well, and we all have to study color to really get better at seeing and discerning color. And I found that a lot of my students could not visualize what a blue corrector was or a red corrector. And so I wanted to give them something that would give them kind of a go-by, a visual. What happened was I started working with the wheel and teaching with the wheel, and I realized that it did so much more than just give you a visual. It really is a tool and a guide to working the principles of color theory in browns and flesh tone. As a makeup artist, I work on skin, and most of the colors I work with are neutrals. And so having the flesh tone color wheel with me allows me to actively work color theory for my clients so that every color choice I can make based on color theory. And instead of just being excited by a color that attracts my eye for a client, I actually know what that color is going to do. I know how much it's going to show up on their skin and what kind of impact I'm going to get because I can actively work color theory with that step. It's really given me so much more intention as a makeup artist, and I think it's streamlined my process. I'm faster. I don't have to back out of things because I know exactly what I'm going to get before I apply. So it's been an amazing journey for me just being able to really bring color theory to life in my world of browns and neutrals. And I'm so excited about bringing it to you. This is my first trip to Europe. It's only my second trip out of the United States with color theory and flesh tone. And I really look forward to meeting you all, and I hope that you'll join me.